how to add voiceover in your Canva per slide. To do so, first of all, open the Canva and upload your slides. From there, on the left, you will see a lot of options. Among them, choose upload and then hit on audio. On the top, you will see record yourself option. Hit on that and allow it to use your microphone and your camera as well. Once you do that, on the button you will see a lot of slides. First of all, choose one slides and hit on the record and then start recording for that slide. Once you are done, hit on the done and choose another slide and do same for the another slide as well. So in this way you can add voiceover in Canva per slides. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.